All right, hello, ladies and gentlemen. So in this demo, I'm going to show you how to make a compound building. These buildings are going to be made of two or more of your pre-existing buildings joined together. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by selecting one of our buildings, and we're going to drag another building on there. In this case, hold on, did it take? Oh, it's still loading. Okay, so here's our building. Something else I want to do is I'm going to just separate that a little bit. Sorry, it's having some loading issues. Okay, so there it is. It's moved. I'm going to hit OK on that. I also, in this design, I'm going to make a copy. So change that to components. All right, and you make a copy just by clicking this create copy thing like that, and then dragging it out. All right, cool. So I'm going to combine these three buildings, and to do that, we're going to go to the assemble area here, and we're going to make sure that what we want the side that we're going to be selecting and adhering here, facing the side we want to join. So we want to join this side to this side. All right, and this side to this side. All right, so just make sure that the side you want to join is facing, all right, that the right way. So we're going to go to joint right here. It's not new component, it's this one to the right. It says joint. We're going to select it, and you notice that this starts to go see-through. What we're going to do is we're going to focus on the building that is not see-through, which I want to focus on this building here, and I want to select this side here. So I'm going to select it. And now that this is selected, it wants me to select the second building that we're going to be joining it to. I want to join it on this lower part here. So I'm going to select that. And you see how the building just sort of gravitates towards it, which is just what we wanted to happen. And now before we set it, we want to place the building. We do that by grabbing these arrows here and adjusting it where you want it to be. And then I'm going to hit enter to set it. And now if I were to do move copy and components, sorry, these are now joined together and can't move. But let me try that again, actually. Bodies. Okay, so bodies, you can move this here. Okay, and then with I'm going to change that back to components. Okay, all right. All right, so these are now joined together. So we're going to repeat this for this side and this face here. So let's go over here. We're going to go to our assemble joint. I'm going to select this side. And now I'm going to select this side. Bam. All right, so we're going to place it. And that looks good to me. I'm going to set it. And this is an example of a compound building. Okay, so that's how you make one. I could do another one for you. Just gravitate over here. Okay, so how about I'll take two of the same buildings. All right, I'm gonna just move this to its own space over here. Okay, it's fine. I'm now gonna duplicate it. I'm just gonna make the same building here. So we want, I think components is good. All right, we're gonna create a copy, drag that out. All right, and then I'm just gonna join these two together really quickly. All right, hit OK. All right, so I'm going to go to my joint here, select it. I'm going to use the cube to select the side I want. I'm going to join this side here to this side here. So first I'm going to select here. Okay, and you can mess with the distance through this field here. So if the arrows aren't doing it for you, you can type in manually how you want it. For the sake of just showing you how it's done, I'm not going to be too precise, but I would like this to line up, okay, evenly at the bottom when you do this. So that's going to be something I'm looking for, is that things are level at the bottom. So for this, you're going to have 3 compound buildings. So that's going to make 9 buildings total, 6 unique buildings that are individual, and then you're going to combine 2 or more to make 3 compound buildings. Okay, so this is an example of 2 compound buildings. Okay, so let me just zoom out. All right, so here are 2 compound buildings. You have to make 3 out of your own buildings. All right, so that's how you do it.